Hi, I'm Shio from Unite Canada. Today I'll be showing you how to use Gmail. Gmail is Google's online emailing platform. So to start, you want to go to the bottom left of your screen and press the Windows icon and type in Edge. You want to click on this icon here, and that's the web browser we'll be using to start. And I'm going to go ahead and enter into the web address Gmail sign up. And press enter, and I'm gonna get the first result as create your Google account, sign in, which is what I want to do. So once I'm here, it'll prompt and it'll ask you for your first name, your last name, and then you want to come up with your unique username. So this will be your web address for your email. So you can pick this first part of your username. Hopefully it's not taken. You may have to adjust it. Each username has to be unique. And at the end, it'll have this tag at gmail.com. Then you want to come up with your password. Go ahead and press next. And then it'll ask if you want, you can connect it to your phone number, and you can make a recovery email address in case you forget your password or your username for your email. The same works with the phone. I'm going to leave that for now, but I recommend doing that. That way, if you need to reset your password, it becomes easy. You can just hit I forgot my password, and it'll text a reset code to your phone number or your alternate email address. It'll ask you for your date of birth, your gender, it'll give you a privacy and terms prompt. You can go ahead and read through those. You're going to hit I agree if you agree to those terms to continue. And now it'll bring you to your email or your Google account home. So in reality, what you've done is actually create a Google account, not just your Gmail. It connects to a bunch of different Google programs, including YouTube, Google Meets, Google Drive, Photos, and we'll get into all of those later. But for now, I want to focus on Gmail. So one thing you want to remember with whenever you're using any Google program, you want to select this little grid up here, and it'll bring you to all the Google apps here, and that's probably the easiest way to do it. Same thing if you have the Google Chrome web browser. If you're not sure how to install that, I'll link the video right here. So we're gonna go ahead and press the Gmail button there. This will be your Gmail page where you can send and receive all of your emails. So we're going to start from the top here. This is where you can simply search mail, so all of your contacts here. And the first thing you're going to have is your inbox. You're going to have 3 sections in your inbox. Your primary, which will be where all your important emails come from. Your social, these will be advertisements and stuff, and then promotion, same type of thing. You'll have promotional offers. The most important one will be primary. You're going to get a few options here to improve your overall profile. You can customize your inbox, change your profile image, and more. But that's not too important for now. In the top left, you have the compose button, which is what you press when you want to send an email. Then you're going to get the new message box right here. The first prompt is who you're going to send it to. So I'm going to send it to my personal email right there. Same thing, you want to put your unique web address. Make sure to include that at gmail.com. Of course, people may have other external tags such as Hotmail, Outlook, or a company domain, that's okay. Just make sure you put it after the @ symbol and you're typing everything in okay. You can put in more recipients, then you can put in your subject. This one's just going to be test. And then you can type in your message. At the bottom here, you have the option to change the font size and different text formatting options. You can attach a file here. You can insert a link, insert emojis, and insert Google Drive files, which you can learn more about that on the Google Drive tutorial on our website. And you can also insert a photo, turn confidential mode on and off, and insert a signature if you'd like. So I can go ahead and press send when I'm ready. Back to the left here, there's other things that you can do here. You can access your sent mail here. So there's the email I just sent. I can star all of my emails. So when I go to starred, all of my important emails will reside right here. And I can snooze any emails that I want to read later. These are called drafts. So here, off camera, I kind of, accidentally press a few buttons. I didn't want to send that one, so I simply hit X. But instead of deleting all of your drafted emails, what Gmail does is it will save it in the drafts column. So say I want to continue working on this one. If it's a long email and I need to do it in multiple sessions, I can work on that in the draft section, and when I'm ready, I simply hit send. And once again, you can go sort your emails into important. You can schedule emails for different times. All mail, you got your bin here for deleted emails. So just really quick, I'm back in my inbox. I just wanted to show you guys how I actually deleted that email. I realized I forgot. So once I have it in my inbox like so, all I do is hit this check box here, and up top I'll get a bunch of new options. And one of those is to delete. The other options are to archive, to report it as a spam if I don't want that email anymore, to snooze it, to mark it as unread, add to task. You can go ahead and explore with those. The cool thing is you can select multiple emails at once, and you can delete them all like so. Once again, so I'm just going to show you from this email here. If I want to reply to the email, I can simply press this button here and type in my message, and then hit send when I'm done. It's deleted, so it's not going to let me do that, but on normal emails it'll allow you to reply. And I can also forward emails, which means if I want somebody else to see this email, I can simply forward it to their email, and it sends to their email so they can view the same email that I was looking at. That just about summarizes everything there is on Gmail. It's a pretty easy site to use. Again, if you're not using Chrome and you have something like this in your browser and you need to access your email, just type in Gmail like so, and the first thing that comes up will be there. And even if it asks you to log in, that's my other email, but it might ask you to log in again, or if you have another email, simply go to the top right here and you can look at all the emails that you have here, switch between them, add another account, sign out of your account. It's all very straightforward, just as long as you know that unique name that you have here and your password, and you'll be just fine. That concludes our video today. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at the information on the screen. And please go check out more of our videos at our website, www.unitecanada.org. Thank you.